we want to make a new worksheet, so we click Worksheets, New Worksheet, choose somewhere to store it. So let's go for Hogwarts Worksheets. Enter a title, count to 10. Now you can start writing your worksheet. The title of the resource at the top left, the title of the album top right. Click on the audio, enter instructions, click the record button and speak into your microphone, click the stop button to stop the recording. The recorder is now in playback mode. To listen to your recording, click the play button. With our audio stimulus now set up, we can add a speaking activity for the student. From the Activities menu, choose Speaking. The student now has a recorder to use when he receives the task. And just above it, we can enter some simple instructions to tell him what to do. If you wish to change the grading, you can click on the standard 5 points tab and choose an alternative number. Finally, if you're happy with everything, click the Done button. You can then click the Edit button to carry on with further changes to the worksheet, Start to try the worksheet out for yourself through the eyes of the student, or Assign to set the work as a task for students to do.